Ceramic bathroom tile 101. Tiles can be made from many kinds of materials, including natural stone, glass, metal, and even leather. However, next to porcelain, ceramic is probably the most common, and certainly the oldest, type of tile used in the home. In fact, ceramic tiles adorned bathrooms as far back as the Roman Empire. The reasons for selecting ceramic tile are both practical and purely decorative. Not only is it one of the most affordable tile options, more about that in a moment, but ceramic is also durable, moisture and bacteria resistant, and requires little more than a damp sponge or mop to keep clean. And if you enjoy having plenty of textures, shapes, and colors from which to decide, expect to be happily befuddled by ceramic's seemingly endless array of style choices. Naturally, prices vary according to the tile you choose and the size of your project. A recent search turned up 12 inches by 12 inches ceramic floor and wall tiles at Home Depot selling for 77 cents per square foot. You can expect to pay around $2.60 per square foot for 3 inches by 6 inches white subway tile, a classic look that also happens to be trending right now. Specialty mosaic tiles can easily run $20 to $40 or more per square foot. However, the average tends to hover around $7 to $9 per square foot. Despite marketing claims to the contrary, the difference between ceramic and porcelain tiles generally comes down to pay and price. Both are part of a larger ceramic family, which means they are made from clay material that is fired in a kiln. However, because porcelain tile is produced from clays blended with other minerals, it has a pay rating and industry standard for hardness and durability that is higher than ceramic. For this reason, porcelain tile is often a better choice for high-traffic areas of the home. This is the really fun stuff. From rough-hewn antique finishes to eye-popping neon colors, there's barely a limit to the looks you can achieve with today's ceramic tiles, accents, and edge treatments. What's more, new digital printing technologies allow manufacturers to create ceramic tiles that look amazingly like marble, wood, metal, and even fabric, at a fraction of what the real thing would cost. Backsplash or shower floor can be a relatively simple DIY project if you're handy and have some experience installing tile. In fact, many of today's ceramic tiles feature directional arrows on their backs to ensure that you're keeping them straight. But some home renovation experts discourage novices from tackling more extensive projects such as a master bathroom floor or a complex mosaic design in a shower. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.